Imagine you wake up tomorrow morning and the petrol pumps are closed, cars are stopped on the roads, delivery trucks aren't moving, and supermarket shelves are slowly emptying. This isn't just a nightmare, it's very close to reality. The tensions between America and Iran over oil are being felt worldwide. The Strait of Hormuz, through which almost 20% of global oil supply passes, is now almost blocked due to rising tensions. If this route is permanently closed, petrol prices could skyrocket like never before. People are asking, could petrol reach $10 per liter? And honestly, this isn't just exaggeration. Diesel and petrol prices are already touching record highs in the US and Europe. If the war escalates, a global economic crash is also possible. Factories will shut down, flights will be canceled, and ordinary people's lives will be deeply affected. And the shocking part? Oil shortages aren't just numbers, they're directly linked to human daily life. Imagine a truck driver who can't afford fuel for his family, or a farmer struggling to get diesel to run his machines. These aren't just statistics, these are real stories happening right now. And the future? If this war lasts longer, rich countries will secure their oil stockpiles, and poor countries will face higher prices and scarcity. The economic gap could grow even bigger. Panic buying will start, and the daily routine of the world could collapse almost entirely. Right now, some tankers are slowly passing through the Strait of Hormuz, but analysts warn if the conflict intensifies, an oil supply shock is unavoidable. And the question for all of us is, are we ready if petrol and diesel suddenly become limited? This isn't just a political or war issue, it's a human, survival and daily life crisis. That's why this topic is in a perfect position to go viral right now. For you, this is an opportunity. Understand and think about how a global oil war could affect your life. So today, in a world where tensions between America and Iran are at their peak, you have only one choice: stay aware, stay prepared, and realize that an oil war could impact everyone's life. And finally, I ask you, are you ready if petrol prices reach $10? Share your thoughts in the comments.